Pot Organizer Pullout from Hardware Resources, helping organize your kitchen in 11 minutes or less. Tools required for installation: Phillips screwdriver or screw gun. You may desire to use a measuring tape to determine mounting location, though not necessary, and some sort of marking device. Place the organizer in the cabinet. Make sure you have clearance to pull past the door and hinges. Secure through the metal support rails with the 4 screws provided. Snap the pot holders onto the pot organizer in desired location.